So now that we've designed our document and we've added a couple of neat little aspects like the page number and the copyright symbol at the bottom, let's go ahead and start fleshing out this even further and adding some text to these documents. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go up here into the A master. I'm going to click on that. And we're going to go back into our master page like we were in the previous lesson. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to go ahead and drag a guide down. The reason I'm doing that is because I want to create something that's similar on all the pages where I might put a title or something above here. And remember to just grab a guide. All you have to do is click on one of the rulers right here and drag down. If you don't see the rulers, go to view, and then the button right here will say show rulers if they're hidden or hide rulers if they're there. Bring up the rulers and then you can just drag guides down like so. So now that we have the guide here, if we jump back into our main document like so, you'll see that every one of the pages also has this guide on it. So let's get back into the master page here again, and let's go ahead and create a text frame in here. Now the reason I'm creating the text frame in here is because I was thinking about putting a title on every single one of the pages. So instead of having to do all the work of, actually writing out the title myself, and like copy and pasting it and getting it all aligned correctly in every single one of the pages, I can create it in the master page and again save a lot of work in the future. So if we go ahead and just create like a dummy title here, like let's say how to use InDesign, like so, we can go ahead and format it in here as well. So let's select it all. Let's give it a larger font size here. Let's make sure it's centered by going over here, giving it a little bit larger size. And then we'll go with, let's go with Minion Pro Bold, like so. And one more, I think we can even make it even larger and it'd still look good. So yeah, that's looking good right now, but we don't want it to say that on every one of them. So what we're doing right there is just creating the sort of style that's going to kind of permeate through our document. So now when we delete it, these settings are going to be saved to this text frame. So let's jump back in, and now you'll see that every one of these has the guide and it has that text frame right there. So let's go ahead and type in our titles here. But you'll notice something. I can't actually touch the text frame. The reason I can't do that is because right now it's just looking at the master page. We have to actually override it and say that we want to type in here ourselves. To do that, you need to hold Control Shift, and on a Mac it'll be Command Shift. So you need to hold, so let's hit Control, let's hit Shift, and then now you'll see that it switches this cursor right here. And then let's click on the text box. And you'll see what it does is it jumps it out of that dotted line, and now it's actually a part of the document once again. Now I can just click on it right here and you see that those settings were saved, and now I can type in how to use InDesign. And we'll just put 1 here, and then we can move to the second one. We can do the exact same thing. We can hold Shift Control and then do the exact same thing. Let me go ahead and copy and paste this so we don't have to write this out 4 different times. And so, we just doing this for clarity's or ease of sake, doing the exact same title on every page, but we'd be making a separate title for every one of these. So we wouldn't just be copy and pasting it down the line. If we wanted to, you could actually just create this, like how to use Adobe InDesign in the master page and then insert page number here. And it would save us actually some work because then we wouldn't have to copy and paste this from each one. But this is a very unique case. So I'm just going to show this really quickly like that. Change this one to 3, hold Control Shift, click, Control V to paste, and number 4. So now I have titles on every one of my pages. And so we've got a sort of a good document started here, a good PDF. And you'll see that we've gotten this sort of same design on every single one of our pages. And so now the next step here would be to add some text to all of these pages. Adding text can be really simple. We could just grab the text document, create some text frames here, maybe copy and paste them, or maybe we could go up into the master page and create a bunch of text frames like that. However, those can actually get really inefficient, especially, consider maybe you have a 50-page document. You don't want to write the text out for every one of these. What we need to thread our text, which is going to allow us to insert the text once, and then it's going to flow from every single text box into the next text box. So that's what we're going to be covering in the next lecture.